Hi guys. So in the chart basics series, we want to explain here what a chart is, right? You hear all these people talking about fundamental trading versus chart trading versus technical trading, and we'll get into a number of those other things. But in this video, I want to explain very quickly what what you're looking at when you're looking at a chart. So along the bottom you will have the time axis, and that is whether you're looking at an intraday chart, 5-minute chart, 20-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 60-minute chart, daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. This is your time axis, right? And it stands to reason. As you move to the right, you're going up in time, right? From February to March to April, or from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Doesn't really matter. This axis is going to be your price axis, right? So as a stock moves higher, it will move up this axis. So the saying is, you want to be in positions that are moving obviously to the right and to the upper right corner of the chart, right? The reason is, as you move further in time, if you're trending higher, you're headed in this direction, right? Always a good thing. So that's the basic outline of the chart that you will normally find us using. There are other kinds of charts. There are range charts. There are point and figure charts. There are a number of different charts. But for directional trading, this is the primary kind of chart that you're going to use. Obviously, I could change this and have it be, as I said, an intraday chart. And as you can see, you're moving forward in time here. If we change it again and make it, let's say, a weekly chart, same idea. These are some old kind of reference points here. Again, you're moving forward in time. Each bar represents a week, right? That's the other important thing. I'm sorry I left that out. So if we go back to the daily, each bar represents that increment of time, right? So today this is moving because the market is open right now. When the market closes, this bar will represent the price action from the open through the close, whatever happened today. Same thing with this is Tuesday's bar. Same idea, right? From it open here, close here, and this is the price action. This is the range of prices that the stock saw on that day. Again, on the weekly, it's the price action. This is the price action starting Monday, and it will end today, right? In this stock, this is the range. This is as high as it went. This is as low as it went. It looks like we're probably going to close on the lows if we don't get some kind of rally in it. But that's the way it's working. That's the way the weekly chart works. And finally, the monthly, same exact idea. For a calendar month, this is the price action that you'll see, right? This was the opening, the first day of March, and when this closes, it'll be on after the close of the last day of March. This is the high we saw this month. This is the low that we saw this month, and all of this. These are the prices in between. And again, each one of these bars represents a month, right? From the open to the close of the month, and that makes up a chart. Okay, if you guys have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out and ask, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.